Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon. Stock number is 18G747A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Front parking sensors will keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. Alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating. Your second row of seats are heated seats. You do have a rear-facing entertainment center as well as the sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, Bluetooth, and heated steering wheel controls all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.